Welcome, here I've got Lenovo K6 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it. And for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here from the right, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them I can easily take a picture. To change it function, let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to focus on this settings bar from the right. We are in the photo category. Let's move to this button, to the general one. Here at the first position we have volume button settings, so when we tap on it we can decide to use this as sound, zoom or capture, which is now. So let me change it to zoom to show you how it works different, and let's move back to the camera. Now let me try to use volume keys once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject now and also go back, so I can use zoom by tapping on volume buttons. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.